This is a Kalanchoe, one of the very long blooming indoor flowering houseplants. What's really nice about them is they are quite drought tolerant because they're a succulent. So you can go completely dry between each watering. Flowers last for a good 4 to 6 weeks, depending on household conditions, of course. And another really nice thing about them is they're really good as a bedding out plant as well, to plant out in full sun location, to give you that all season color out in the garden. Inside the house, they bloom for about the 6 weeks I said. Should be fed with a regular flowering houseplant fertilizer, something preferably with a high middle number, once a month while they're actively growing and in good light. A really long blooming, easy to care for indoor flowering houseplant.